why Earth is a habitable planet. So Earth is considered to be a habitable planet because it contains these key elements that allows there to be life. For humans to survive on Earth, we need to be protected from the sun's harmful rays and its solar winds. Our atmosphere can do just that. And it provides us with oxygen in which we need to breathe. Now, the atmosphere doesn't block out sunlight, but it allows for the right amount for life to be created. Without sunlight, we would be unable to grow plants in which humans need to eat in order to survive. And with that, we need soil for the plants to grow and carbon dioxide to be taken in by these plants. We need water, not only to grow the plants, but for our human consumption. Earth's atmosphere is important because it gives us the oxygen humans need to breathe. The mass and temperature of a planet are the two main factors that determine if a planet has an atmosphere. Now, because Earth is cooler, it can hold on to lighter molecules because they are not moving as fast. Because CO2 is a heavier molecule, Earth's atmosphere holds on to it easier than a lighter molecule. Earth is able to allow some to escape, but over long periods of time. This also makes our planet habitable because the CO2, if it kept building up, our planet would become too hot. However, not enough CO2 could make our planet frozen, or with the result of too much CO2, our planet would overheat, and we're kind of seeing this now with the greenhouse effect. So here we have another reason why Earth is habitable, and this is due to the magnetic field we can see in this picture. Now this protects Earth from harmful solar winds and solar surges. The magnetic field also keeps in our atmosphere and keeps us protected. The magnetic field is due to Earth's liquid center and plate tectonics. So here we have the rock cycle, and this is another reason in which Earth is habitable. We are able to get soil through our rock cycle process, and through this we are able to grow the plants in which Earth needs to be habitable. So our last reason in which Earth is habitable is due to our Earth's position from the sun. Earth is in the perfect sweet spot in which we call the habitable zone here. Here we are not too hot from the sun, but not too far away. It allows our planet to have liquid water, and this allows us to not basically have our planet be frozen.